Find first true value in a row of Pandas data frame. I have two data frames of Boolean values. The first one looks like this. If I am just interested in whether each row has any true value, I can use the any method. However, I want to have an added constraint based on the second data frame that looks like the following. I want to identify rows that have a true value in the first data frame only if it is the first true value in a row of the second data frame. For example, this would exclude row 2 because although it has a true value in the first data frame, it is the second true value in the second data frame. In contrast, rows 1 and 2 have a true value in data frame 1 that is also the first true value in data frame 2. The output should be the following.
One way would be to use CumSum to help find the first. This works because b2.CumSum axis equals 1 gives us the cumulative number of trues seen, and cases where that number is 1 and b2 itself is true must be the first one.
Worked out a solution which turned out to be similar to PSHEP 123's solution.
As a variation to @DSM's clever answer, this approach seemed a little more intuitive to me. The first part should be pretty self-explanatory, and the second part finds the first column number, w/axis equals 1, that is true for each data frame and compares